Welcome back, everyone. Today we're going near the city of Mexico on Lake Xochimilco. I guess you guessed it. Today we're talking about axolotls. Of course, these cute little creatures are always some people's favorites. My friend always loved these animals, and I like them too. They're really cute. But on the endangered list, they're still on the critically endangered. Still, right now there's a conservation effort, and a few of them are people setting wild axolotls into Xochimilco. And it's a really good thing because they're critically endangered in the wild. Now, let me give you a few facts about them. So first, if you cut off one of the axolotl's limbs, body parts, some organs, and even parts of its brain, it will regenerate it all by itself. That is because by the dividing cells in the axolotl's body. Next up, we see the gills are actually on the top of their heads. Yeah, it sounds crazy, but actually, axolotls are amphibians. They seem like fish because of the common name in Mexico, Mexican walking fish. But they're just amphibians with the gills on their heads. They look so cute, like little branches out of their heads. Whew. And next up, did you know that they can soak up air through their body? Like some, I guess, frogs? They soak up air through their skin, which means that any drop of oil into the waters will cause massive damage to each and every single axolotl in the lake. Yes, that's true. But you might not think this is true since they can be damaged really easily, but we've actually polluted Lake Xochimilco so badly that right now we have most of the axolotls in captivation, which means that they're not truly wild, and it's really sad to just see that. But did you know that wild axolotls aren't actually pink or any other color? They're just black. Yeah, we actually bred axolotls into pink colors. That might be the axolotls you might see on television or anything else, but the actual wild color is black. So the axolotl is very cute, but it's on the critically endangered list. Which is why I made this video. It's to tell everybody that axolotls need our help. They are amazing creatures with regenerative abilities far past most animals. So I actually love these creatures, but like I've said, they're critically endangered. So we need lots of help to preserve the species. So there's been a lot of conservation efforts, including land restoration, which means to take out all the trash, gasoline, and any other bad things that might be in Lake Xochimilco that can damage the axolotls like really badly. Number 2, we also have another conservation effort way by releasing wild axolotls back into Lake Xochimilco after they've restored themselves from being damaged. 3, we are probably also having another conservation effort on trying to keep the axolotls safe by keeping them in places like aquariums, maybe your home, and of course, we also have lots of captive axolotls. Like I said, there's a different type of coloring for axolotls that are red at home, like pink, olive, etc. And now, axolotls have pretty amazing stuff, but of course, we're trying to save them from the extremely close to extinction. If we don't do these conservation efforts, they'll probably just go extinct in the wild. So it's great if we clean up Lake Xochimilco and release them into the wild, keep them healthy. We're doing all this to save them. Why? Because they're such cool creatures and they're so cute. Of course, like cute. Of course, anyone would say axolotls are cute. So if you want to help these axolotls, then there are these 4 ways you can help them. Number 1 is to share this video. Please share this video by clicking the share button, because this will spread the word to the world about conservation for axolotls. Number 2 is responsible pet ownership. If you ever consider having a pet axolotl, then please, oh please, take care of your axolotl. Because if you take care of an axolotl, that will raise the amount of axolotls left in this world. And if we can raise them back into least concern, that will be really great. And finally, go into cleanup services. You heard that right. If you can go to Lake Xochimilco and join some cleanup services for the axolotls and probably save 1 or 2 axolotls of your own. Before we wrap up, I just want to say a massive thank you for all of you joining me here. Your support means everything to me. Now, here's the deal. Hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and let's embark on this journey. My name is Turbo, and this is just the start of the journey on Wild Guardians TV. Stay wild, my friends.